This is the piggy, and 25 for life. And him, Ritz, and Ratchet found this glitch, and it turns you red. See, I am very much red. Here, stand next to me. You can kind of see. Wait, hold still. Like next to him, I look really red. And it turns your weapons red too. Like, see, it's really red. You can see it good on the Arbiter because most of it's white. Yeah, see, it's all red. And also, when you get in a hover bike, you're still red when you're on it. I'm not sure what happens when you get in a Puma. Nothing. Yeah, you come out red though, still. Yeah. So this glitch was discovered by 25 for life, Ratchet, and Ritz. Yeah.